What is going on, snipers? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we're back again with another 2-minute drill. That's a week of highlights in the stock market in the span of 2 minutes. And we are doing this in honor of Chris Berman and football. And football is officially back, so feels good to be doing this. Let's dive on into stocks, though. And this week was a blazing hot week for the snipers. We actually had 2 signs of sector momentum, and that's where most of our profit is made. When there's sector momentum out there, you want to try to take advantage of those moves and those stocks in that one sector and try to profit at them while there's volume there. The first one we're going to start off is where we started originally in stock trading, and that is with cannabis stocks. We like to call this the green rush. The green rush in cannabis stocks got a huge spike, a lot of them spiking 30% plus overnight. We had a handful of stocks: CURLF, TCNNF, MSOS, CRLBF, GTBIF, Tilray, CGC. Tons of 30% opportunities overnight in one day from cannabis stocks, from the news that cannabis is finally possibly going down from a Schedule 1 drug, which is the same as cocaine, meth, acid, all the ugly drugs, up to a Schedule 3 drug. So the federal government is debating on possibly bringing this to a Schedule 3 drug. They probably should have done this a while ago, but that news, that them just thinking about it and bringing up the idea, caused this huge rush in sector momentum in cannabis stocks, and we're excited to see if they can continue to push in the month of September. We also had a push from the Bitcoin stocks. The Bitcoin stocks got a push because GBTC, which is Grayscale Bitcoin, actually was in a lawsuit with the SEC about them possibly becoming an ETF that you can purchase. So you can purchase a Bitcoin ETF. Now it is going to be legal. You're actually going to be able to purchase a Bitcoin ETF. So be on the lookout for that soon. They beat the lawsuit, and that caused big spikes in a lot of Bitcoin-related stocks. In larger stocks, we actually had 2 52-week breakouts. That means new 1-year highs after stocks came out with earnings. The first one is Lululemon, the workout clothes that everyone knows about. If you go to the gym, you most likely know about Lululemon, jumping over 406. We also have the computer company Dell beating earnings and jumping over $70 52-week highs. So congrats on both of those companies on the continue and the run-up. Speaking of the market, we actually had unemployment numbers come out. They come out the first Friday of every month, and this Friday is the brand new month, September 1st. So this Friday, we actually got unemployment numbers, and they were actually worse than expected, but that's a good thing, causing the market to go up. The market, when unemployment was going down, the government actually wanted to raise interest rates and somehow lower inflation and fight inflation because it shows that the economy is strong. Now that hiring is slowing down a little bit, it shows the economy is getting a bit weaker, and maybe the government does not have to raise interest rates as much anymore, which is a good sign for the overall market. In other news, we actually have some bad news coming out of Rite Aid's camp. RAD is the ticker. The pharmaceutical company got in trouble, and they're in a big lawsuit for handing out too much opioids. They mishandled their use of opioids, and that actually is going to cause the company to file bankruptcy. So a company that was once $3 at the beginning of August is now all the way down to 60 cents. So ugly, ugly drop for long-term investors, and it's an ugly road ahead, it looks like, for the pharmaceutical company Rite Aid. On other news, though, Tesla, Elon Musk is jumping into something brand new. He got approved to open up a restaurant with a drive-in. So interesting to see that he actually wants to jump in the restaurant industry, but maybe it's because he gets the Teslas to come to the drive-in. Maybe he puts some charger ports there, charge the cars up while you're watching some movies, eating some food. Who knows what the plans are, but they did get approved of a possible restaurant that could be coming out in California with a drive-in. Interesting to see all the time what the hell Elon Musk is doing. And that is it with our 2-minute drill. Don't forget, the market is closed on Monday for the holidays, so we got a long weekend ahead of us. We got our first week of college football. Thank the Lord it's back. Florida State is playing on Sunday. Excited to watch them go to war. This could be their year. I'm honestly really excited for it, being a Florida State alumni. Really excited to see what exactly Florida State could do. We're ranked number 8 to start the year, but we got a hard component in LSU to start the season on Sunday. So hope you guys enjoy the extra long weekend. This could give you some table talk to talk to your friends about bring up something new. Always good. That's what this is here for. We're here every single Friday bringing this up. We'll be back here next Friday when real football starts. See you back there next time. Stock Sniper Mike. Out.